incident light rays, it is the regular reflection. It is the regular reflection. Parallel beam, parallel incident beam, and reflected beam is also parallel. This is only for the plane mirror. You cannot expect for all spherical mirrors. We are talking about the plane mirror. So in case of plane mirror, if a parallel beam of light reflect as a parallel beam, that is the regular reflection. But you cannot expect for the spherical mirror. Parallel beam of light will be converge or diverge if in case of the spherical mirror. Now here we are limiting to this plane mirror. Right. This is the regular reflection. Right. If the regular reflection takes place, then the image can be formed. But in normal surfaces, in the surfaces that we are seeing in our surrounding, from all the surfaces reflection takes place. If I have the wall in front of me, reflection of light is taking place. I have the light from this side, and on my opposite side there is a wall. The reflection of light takes place, but no image can be formed. I cannot see myself on this wall because the surface is irregular. There are more large number of ups and downs, irregularities present. Due to this, the image is not formed. Then we'll draw. Once again, I take a surface. The surface is plane. The surface is plane. This is also a mirror, but this mirror is old. It is used. Number of scratches are made on this mirror. Number of scratches are made. If we take a mirror which is very older, which is used, and its surface has so many scratches, then if we see ourselves in that mirror, then our face is not clear. Right? Here also, this mirror has large number of ups and downs, irregularities on this side, on this surface. This is the surface on which a parallel beam of light strikes. Suppose this is a light ray striking and another light ray striking the mirror at this point, right? One more light ray. Now you see, the light rays are striking the surface at various points. Now if I take the first light ray, it will strike at this point. To find out the reflected ray, I need the normal. If I want to draw the normal, first of all I must see the surface. The surface is like this. So the normal will be drawn perpendicular to the surface. It is drawn perpendicular to the surface. So here the light ray is reflected in this way. Again here, coming to this point, it is striking this surface. Here the normal is drawn like this. And the light ray is here. And then this point, normal and reflected light rays. You see, are all the light rays reflected as parallel? No. Because they are striking the surface at various points at a different angle of incidence. The angle of incidence at various points are not same. So the light rays are reflected randomly in different direction. In different direction, then the image will not be formed. This type of reflection is known as diffused or irregular reflection. So these are the two types of reflection, regular and irregular. On irregular reflection, no image will be formed because all the reflector light rays are traveling in different direction and random direction. They meet at various points and will not get the image. We just get only a brighter part. We cannot see ourselves. We cannot see the image of any object. So the image can be formed only on the regular reflection, not by the irregular or diffused reflection. In our surrounding, many of the surfaces, number of surfaces are reflecting the light, and the reflection is irregular reflection. Even the board is also looking like it is a plane. It is a plane surface and it is looking like a highly polished and smooth, but it is not so. Why it is not so? Because on this surface also many scratches are made and it makes the reflection irregular. So we cannot see ourselves. So the image can be formed only on the regular reflection. This is the basics of the reflection and the image formation by the plane mirror. We will continue more thing in the next session.